Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. This is Faiza. It's a great pleasure to stand before you. Today I'm gonna talk about artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Artificial intelligence means the ability of machines or computer system to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. In simple words, AI is a technology that helps machines to think, learn, and make decisions like human. AI is a technology. AI is a powerful and fast-growing technologies in the world. AI also used in many areas. Social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube also use AI to show us videos post which based on our interest. It also helps doctors to detect diseases quickly and accurately. For example, when we use a smartphone, we can see AI also has many advantages. It helps saves our time, and it also reduces employment. It also the developing of AI is very expensive, so we must be careful about its negative effect. Thank you everyone for your attention.